Hey everyone, it's July and we all know what that means. Obviously July 4th, the beach, the sun, hot, humid air. But if you're a truck driver or fleet manager or in the trucking industry at all, you also know that that means second quarter IFTA deadline. I know. The deadline is July 31st this year. What that means is that you've got to have your second quarter IFTA filed with your base jurisdiction, your state of residency, the state that you have your IFTA stickers with. You have to have your second quarter filed with them by July 31st to be in compliance with the IFTA regulations. So our wonderful, wonderful product called TruckLogics is here to help you. And there are several ways that you can file your IFTA report, make sure that that's ready in order to file it with your jurisdiction. So when you use TruckLogics, there are two options for you. Number one is there's the full TMS option, and I would highly, highly, highly recommend this option for you and your business. There are so many other aspects and IFTA included in that when you use the full TMS version. And there's several different package options, and you want to make sure you choose one that includes IFTA, but you can always contact our support team to get that set up. My point to you is that when you use the full TMS option, you're getting a lot more of those options plus the IFTA options. So expenses, dispatches, invoicing, document storage, there's lots of different things. Driver app, blah, blah, blah. I could go on and on and on. And then you use that information that you enter into TruckLogics on a daily or weekly basis, however you run your business, to prepare your IFTA report at the end of the quarter. That's the full TMS option. The second option is the IFTA only option. And let's say that you already have a TMS, or you're already working, you already have fuel cards, you already have your ELD, all of that. The IFTA only option allows you to pull that information at the end of the quarter, or again on a daily basis. You can do it however you want and run your IFTA report. It doesn't include all of the other stuff that TruckLogics has to offer, but you can prepare your IFTA report on a quarterly basis. The beautiful thing about TruckLogics is that we update those tax rates automatically so that you don't have to worry about tax rates. What you do want to watch for is split tax rates. And what that means is, let's say a state has a split tax rate in one quarter. You want to make sure that your mileage that you run from the first of that quarter to wherever it's split is entered there. And then the mileage that you run after that split is entered in the correct place. And that way you're getting the calculations correct if there's a split tax rate. But again, TruckLogics keeps up with the split tax rates, and we update those as well in the system, so you don't have to worry about that calculation. You just bring over your mileage, you bring over your fuel, you enter that information in, and then we prepare your report. Once we prepare your report, it calculates your tax due, or if you're owed a credit, and then you file that with your state. So a lot of states are electronic now, so you would just log into your IFTA account, upload those totals, and that's what our report gives you totals per state. So even if you have a fleet of 50 trucks, you enter in all of that information, we're gonna give you state totals. And again, that's a beautiful thing to be able to just go over there and plop those numbers in your IFTA, and then of course file and pay on that state site. So using TruckLogics is a wonderful tool for your business, and it sets you up for success. I talk to so many drivers who start their business, and because they don't manage it well, because they're not tracking your income and your expenses and all of the day-to-day stuff, they're out within 6 months, a year. And so TruckLogics helps you manage your business all in one place so that you can be successful in the trucking industry. So if you have not already started a 15-day free trial, go to trucklogics.com, start your trial, enter in your information, use the account. We have wonderful agents who are there to help you, give a demo for a specific module, send you more information, but this will revolutionize revolutionize the way that you do business. So go start that trial, use that system to see how we would generate that IFTA report for you. And again, we're always here Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5:30. If you have any questions about your account, or if you want to get more knowledge or more information about TruckLogics, we are happy to help. You can email us at support@trucklogics.com or give us a call at 704-234-6946.